Wai pakolkain.
Wai kwayachen.
Tsekenlich as lachlacht. Ha kochkachot lich.
Lut is lachalach. Lut koch kachotelch. Is lachalach hulchulch.
Nekum.
Ha as lachalach in kasilsoch.
Lut is lachlacht kasilsilch. Is lachlacht konels lich.
Gast.
Why anyways that weekend chin?
Why anyways that weekend chen?
Why has halhal de pesnak seluch? Is quis koyachen. Orla chai kinich chutens and silchchenax. Hello, good day, my relatives. My name is Levi Bent, and this is the help tutorial for the N1 book. Today's lesson is 39, personality. Let's get right into it. Hohoi, yayatswe kuin chao chint. Repeat after me. Ha koch kachwatelach. Ha koch kachwatelach. Ki tali tzatzahul alach. Ki tali tzatzahul alach. Lut tsuchuchutamalach. Lut tsuchuchutamalach. Han hotels galach. Han hotels alach. Ki talin qonqonils alach. Ki talin qonqonils alach. Lut nikasil zalach. Lut nikasil zalach. Han titi mina alach. Han titi mina alach. Ki tisqo mina alach. Ki tisqo min alach. Lut ya yakwa alach. Lut ya yakwa alach. Haps psaya alach. Haps psaya alach. Ki chasl chautlach. Ki chasl chautlach. Lut chkamalach. Lut chkamalach. Why has this chkulamp? I pesnak silich utlapnach hoiwe. Atzent achai I splimchen. Ha koch kachwat alach. Ha koch kachwat alach. Ki tzatzahul alach. Ki tzatzahul alach. Lut ach suchuchutamalach. Lut ach suchuchutamalach. Han hotels alach. Han hotels alach. Ki nqonils alach. Ki nqonils Allah. Lutan qasils Allah. Lutan qasils Allah. Han titi mina Allah. Han titi mina Allah. Ki tisqomin Allah. Ki tisqomin Allah. Lutaya yakwa Allah. Lutaya yakwa Allah. Ha Pasaya Allah. Ha Pasaya Allah. Ki khasl chautl. Ki khasl chautl. Lutach kamal. Lutach kamal. Watali chastish chkulam pipis naksilch or slapana piks genechitum. Really good job, you guys. Now I'm going to help you out with a little bit of helpful hints for lesson 39. You heard me right when we started here. I said tali. The longer you draw that word out, the more extravagant it is. So you can say tali chast. Very good. Or it could be tali cast. That's very bad. So our language has those things where we draw it out. And when you spell the word tali, you'll notice the I has that little slant over the I. That's the vowel that you draw out in your sound. So if you're ever looking at the writing portion and you say, why is that I have that slant over it? That's when you know you say tali. You wouldn't say tali. You know, it doesn't sound right, does it? So that's a helpful hint for writing and also in speaking how to draw out your words. It's a lot of fun and it makes language come alive when you speak it. Ahoy, chastish kolam, white ninuis et wikkelman.